and welcome back to Emily Educates How to Use Technology. Today, I will be explaining, by using simple steps, how to FaceTime on any Apple device. Feel free to pause the videos whenever you wish, so that you can follow along at your own pace. First, launch the FaceTime app on your device. It is a green app with a white camera-looking image in the middle. Next, tap the plus button in the top right-hand corner of your screen to add a call. Next, you tap the name, email address, or 10-digit phone number of the contact of the person you wish to call. You can also have a group call where you have more than one contact on the same call. You can do this by adding multiple contacts to the same call. Tap the audio button if you wish to have an audio call where it's only your voice that you and the person on the other end of the call can hear. Or you may like to have a video FaceTime call where you and the other person can see each other's faces. This can be a nice way to communicate with someone from a long distance away so that you can see their face whilst talking to you. Next, tap the call button when you're ready to take the call. Well done! You've just learnt how to FaceTime on any Apple device. Thank you for watching Emily Educates How to Use Technology.